Here's why we are encouraged to say Alhamdulillah after sneezing. In the book Miracles of the Quran and Sunnah, research shows that when we sneeze, there is a brief moment when our heart temporarily stops. Additionally, when we sneeze, we release particles from our mouth that may contain germs. In Islam, we are encouraged to thank Allah after sneezing. How incredible is the wisdom of this religious teaching!